Here's how to get a refund from Expedia. First, open up the Expedia app, or you can open up any web browser and go to expedia.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the trips icon at the bottom of your screen. From your active trips list, select the specific flight, hotel, or car rental you wish to cancel and refund. Scroll down to the policy section to view the cancellation rules, as Expedia's refund approvals depend entirely on the individual airline or property's restrictions. Next, tap Manage Booking and select the option to cancel your reservation. The app will immediately display a refund summary screen showing you exact breakdown of the cash amount returning to your original payment method. If you agree to the terms, tap to confirm the cancellation, which prompts Expedia to automatically send a confirmation email. If this option is completely missing, then you can contact the virtual support. For that, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you want to select Help and Feedback. Now tap on Chat Now. Here you want to type in Request a Refund. The automated bot is going to assist you with it. If it cannot, you can type in Speak to a human agent. Once your cancellation is successfully submitted, you can track the progress of your money directly within the Cancel section of your Trips tab. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.